The other great thing with this system is if I go to my tunes, I'll turn that down. You see at the bottom Ford Audio. It's like a silver triangle with three silver circles, and you see there Ford Audio. If there's no tick by Ford Audio, just obviously just press it like so and click. Then we have to go to auxiliary. If you go to auxiliary, you may have to press it a couple of times. You see there iPod, USB, auxiliary line in, and what we want to see our Bluetooth telephone here, and that's showing the tune that's playing. If I turn that up, and we'll control it from here. I can't play it for too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike.
Ready for me.